Hi, my name is May. I'm a digital business owner, a nurse, and a mother.
Hi, my name is Tammy and I reside in New Brunswick, Canada.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeev. I'm living here in Sydney, Australia. Originally I'm from Fiji Islands.
Hi everyone, my name is Zanele. I am originally from Zimbabwe, living in Edmonton, Alberta.
I am Paramita. I am originally from India, currently staying in Singapore. I am a certified graphic designer. Now I am a proud digital business owner.
Hey guys, my name is Irene. I live in Japan. I am a wife, a mom, a teacher.
Hey everyone, my name is Keith Rickard. I'm from Paradise, Newfoundland in Canada.
Hi everyone, this is Bonnie here and I am working as an account manager by profession for government sector.
My name is Darl. I am also a full-time employee working as a senior human resources specialist based in Dubai.
What I love most about this business is that it runs 24/7 as long as you have a smartphone and you can do it anywhere in the world.
I'm enjoying this view while my business is running in the background because of the automated system that we have.
I can homeschool my daughter and build a business at the same time. I have time freedom. I work when I want and how hard I want.
The main reason why I started my online business was after my heart transplant, I realized that we wanted to change. I didn't want to continue going down the road that we're doing, working all the time, and start enjoying life more often.
Why I started working online was to help my family back home, to save for my children's college, and of course to live a better life, to be able to travel around the world without thinking about the cost.
I'm not a tech-savvy person and I didn't have any previous experience.
While running this business, I am enjoying my flexible work schedule. Like few days back, I went for a picnic with my family and I was enjoying them. Quickly, I checked some updates of my business.
So it's worked out for me. It's going to be worked out for you too, because it has been proven by 1,000 of entrepreneurs globally in the community.
For me, it is very important to be able to retire on my own terms and gradually replace my income. And of course to travel whenever I want to.
I get to meet lots of like-minded people, those who want to push your life forward, those who inspire and encourage you each day. The connection is just awesome.
The training is step by step and so simple that even a grandmother like me can do it. If I can do it, so can you.
If you're looking for second source of income and not sure what to do and where to start, you can check this out.
Take the leap of faith. You can do this by watching the free info session and decide if this is for you or not. Thank you so much and hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.